Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Malvern, a city in Hot Spring County, Arkansas. It lies at the eastern edge of the Ouachita Mountains, roughly 46 miles southwest of Little Rock, Arkansas. As of the 2020 census, the population is about 10,800 people. Malvern was established in 1870 when the Cairo and Fulton Railroad built a station here. Local lore says the area reminded a railroad official of Malvern Hill, Virginia, and that name stuck. Because of its rail connection, Malvern quickly became a center for trade, timber, farming, and clay-based industries. The rich clay deposits nearby made it a natural hub for brick making.
Very much.
Over time, Malvern earned the nickname the brick capital of the world. Many of the commercial buildings downtown are brick, reflecting that heritage. Today, Malvern is stable. Its legacy as brickmaker still shows in the built environment. Its modest home prices and location near rivers, forests, and the Ouachita Mountains appeal to people seeking a quieter, nature-adjacent lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Malvern, Arkansas.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.